Now it's time for some stitching. So you've got your butterfly motif and you just want to place that onto your backing fabric. Either put it straight or you can put it at a bit of an angle if you prefer. It's entirely up to you. Once you've decided on the position you want your butterfly, just get a couple of pins and just pin it into place. If you don't have any pins, safety pins will do the job, or if not, you can use a glue stick. Just dab a little bit of glue onto the back of your butterfly, and then just place it onto your backing fabric and just press it down to hold it just till it dries a little bit, and then you're ready for some stitching. So you've got your needle threaded and you've got your knot at the end of your thread, and you just want to go through the back first and just find just on the outer edge of your butterfly. I tend to start just at the head there, and you want to come up through your backing fabric, and I've just come up at the side of the motif, so I've not actually gone through the butterfly, I've just come up right alongside of it. You just want to pull your needle through, and where you've knotted your thread, that will just hold it at the back. And then you want to just go down just a small distance from where you came up, down into your butterfly, and just pull it through from the back. And you have your first stitch. So then just go again through the back and just find a short distance from where you came up in your last stitch, and again just go alongside the butterfly, not through it. And then back down with a short stitch just along from your last one, just back down into the butterfly again. Don't worry if your stitches are uneven or one's bigger than the other one, it really doesn't matter. You should just enjoy the process of stitching. Don't worry about the end result too much. And as you can see, just go along again, make another stitch about the same sort of distance between the first one and the second one. And again for your next stitch. Just take your time, just enjoy it. There's no rush. It's not a race, just there for the process of the stitching, just to calm and relax you for a few minutes out of your day. And just work your way around the butterfly wings. This is a straight stitch, and quite often this is the only stitch you need. If you can do a straight stitch, you can do almost anything, so don't worry too much about complicated stitches. It's a repetitive motion of just a straight stitch, just coming up through the fabric and going back down again. As you can see, just keep the stitches as neat as you can, but as I say, don't worry too much about it. It all comes with practice. And just gradually, as I said, work your way around the butterfly, and I'll show you how to stitch when we get to the corners.